What's up, Jaguars? We are back for online PE. This is week 6, day 1. Bowling with a twist. All right, let's see what that means. Told you guys, or I should say, I asked you guys and parents to collect things that you can use for bowling again. And so hopefully you guys did that, okay? But before we get into that, let's talk about our unit. Today we're actually doing fitness, throwing, and kicking. And you're going to see why in a minute. Our standard is 3, demonstrates knowledge and skills. Our learning target is to follow the rules of the game and have fun. And our higher order thinking skills question is, what was the most creative or unique way that you bowled? Okay? And now you're starting to see where that twist comes in. All right, so watch me as I demonstrate the game. I can bowl normally if I want to, but here's the twist. If I want to get 2 points for each item I knock down, I have to bowl a different way each time. For example, if I bowl regular, everything I knock down is 2 points because it's the first time I do it, right? Then, if I bowl by kicking, that's different. So everything I bowl is 2 points. Then, if I bowl by kicking again, everything I knock down is only 1 point because I'm bowling the same way, okay? Then if I bowl backwards, everything I knock down is 2 points because that's new. That's a new way to bowl, okay? And if I bowl backwards again, everything I knock down is just 1 point because I'm doing the same thing I did before. But then, if I bowl with my head, everything I knock down is 2 points because that's new, okay? So I'm going to show you guys what that would look like, okay? I'm just going to give you an example of how I'm going to bowl, and then you can bowl any way you want, but I'm just going to show you the points, okay? So let's say I start bowling, okay? And so I've got my stuff back here. I've got cups, I've got bottles, I've got a box. I've got all kinds I got a ketchup bottle, I've got a Listerine bottle, I got a cereal box, I've got all kinds of cups from Burger King and Starbucks, just anything you have that you can use for bowling. I got a water bottle, okay? So that's up to you. All right, so let's say the first time I bowl, I'm just going to bowl regular. Oh! So I knock down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this is new because it's the first time I've done it. So I don't get 6. I count by 2s, right? So I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I get to count by 2s, okay? So I got 12 points. All right, so now I got to set everything back up again. All right, and now let's say I just bowl the same way again because I really like bowling by rolling the ball. Boom! Knock down 1, I only get 1. So I already had 12, now I have 13. Okay? So I set it back up, and I'm like, you know what? Let me try bowling a different way because I want to get 2 points for everything I knock down. So maybe I put the ball down, and now I'm going to kick it. Oh my! I knocked down so many things. So everything I knocked down, I think I'll count them while I set them up. I had 13, okay? So now I'm counting by 2s. 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 27, 29, 31. Okay? You understand? So when you're counting by 2 with odd numbers, that's how that goes. All right? So let's say I kick that way again. Well, I don't get 2 points if I kick the same way because I've already done it that way. So I kick, I knock down 1, 2, 3. So I only get 1 point for each of those because I already kicked. So I had 20. I had 21. So now I have 22, 23, 24. Okay? Then I get smart. I'm like, hey, I don't want to keep getting 1 point. I want to get 2 points. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to roll the ball between my feet and knock them down that way. That's new, so I get 2 points for everything I knock down. So I knocked down the cereal box because it's leaning up against the wall. So I had 21, so now I get to say 23, 25, 27, 29. Okay? All right. I don't know if that makes sense, but just remember, and parents, you can help. Everything you knock down when you bowl a new way, you get 2 points. Everything you knock down, if you bowl a way you've already bowled, you get 1 point. Okay? So that's how the game works. And of course, the adult that you're with, grown-ups, you can help your child if they need help with this. Finding stuff like I've got back there to bowl with, but also the counting part. Okay? All right. So now I want you to pause the video and I want you to go bowl. Okay? So pause the video now, and after you've bowled for about 15 minutes, I want you to unpause or play the video, and then we'll do our next part. Okay? So pause the video and bowl now. All right? I'm assuming you did that. How many points did you get? Oh, very good. Good score. All right, so now the bowling is over. So we're doing like we always do. We're having our closing meeting. And the way we have our closing meeting is we're going to answer our higher order thinking question. So I'm going to show that to you. All right? And our higher order thinking question, so that's what HOT stands for, higher order thinking skills question. What was the most creative or unique way that you bowled? So I would say bowling the ball between my feet backwards, because that was something new that I've never done before, and that's kind of different. Okay, what did you do that was different? Okay, or unique, some kind of creative way that maybe nobody else did. Okay, talk to the grown-up you're with about that, and do that now. Pause the video and talk to the grown-up you're with about that now. All right, good job. I'm assuming you did that. So now, I just wanted to say good job today, boys and girls. I know you guys have been working hard at home. Hopefully, we'll be back to school soon and we'll start doing other things. So you guys did a great job, okay? The next time you do the next time you do online PE at home, you're going to need a container. Could be a box or a basket or a can, something that you're going to throw something into, and then you're going to need something to throw, okay? So that'll be something that you'll do next time, okay? So be ready for that. All right, good job, boys and girls, and we'll see you next time for online PE. Remember, don't go back to your teacher, your classroom teacher, until it's the time that they said to come back. Because, you know, you kind of did this video at your own pace. So if it's too early, just take a break and then go back whenever your teacher said to go back. All right? All right. Thank you, boys and girls and parents. I will see you next time for online PE. Bye.